Warren Buffett has been a role model for many investors out there in the world. Even though we've seen many big names in the field advising people about the best cryptocurrencies available in the market at the moment, there are certainly very few among them whose words really do play a major role in influencing the people. One such person is Warren Buffett, who has been known to bring a huge difference into the system of investments and cryptocurrency. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news, and let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next month. Welcome back to another video on this channel. Let us look at the recent updates on one such cryptocurrency that has a lot more potential than many others in the market. We will be speaking about Cardano with the ticker symbol ADA, and we'll make a small analysis based on the charts and data present. Warren Buffett has been impressing people worldwide with his unique investing skills. His company, Berkshire Hathaway Inc., has also been one of the most successful companies we've seen in history. The company has achieved milestones that have been incomparable, yet have strategies that have been a bit hard for regular analysts and other normal people to understand. The mastermind behind all this is one man named Warren Buffett. Recently, he's also been speaking bullishly about one of the cryptocurrencies called Cardano. Before we get into any of the details, allow us to tell you a bit about what exactly Cardano is and what makes them different. In late 2017, this coin gained a lot of popularity as it jumped in price from around 2 cents to $1.3. This spike raised many eyebrows, and it has been on its performance mode since then. Even though we saw the prices dropping back to around 3 cents in April 2020, with the recent updates we can see that the current prices have gone all the way up to $1.34 as of May 3rd, 2021. This substantial increase in price must have had certain factors working behind the scenes, right? Let us dig deeper into it then. Considering that we currently are at this level, it makes us curious to learn your case. What price did you get into Cardano? Comment below in the comment box and let us know. Cardano is a blockchain that supports the ADA, that is the cryptocurrency that lives in this blockchain. There is a lot of difference between Cardano's working methods and that of Ethereum, despite the fact that there is a lot in common. ADA is in fact a proof-of-stake coin that fuels Cardano to provide a quick and secure transfer of value, and therefore allow the user to operate efficiently in the mode of smart contracts and applications. Just like Bitcoin, this coin will also be limited in supply. However, the supply will be much higher than that of Bitcoin. There will be just 45 billion coins in supply at the maximum level. As of now, we have around 32 billion coins in supply and circulation. This means that we do have a little more than 10 billion more coins till we reach the maximum supply limit. In the long term, as has been noted by Hoskinson, there seems to be no value in the manner that Ethereum functions at the moment. Therefore, having smart contracts in Ethereum would just not be efficient and might result in a collapse either ways. He says that the market of decentralized applications is unhealthy. By this, he means that since most of the apps work outside the blockchain in which they were developed, Cardano may be on the way to a paradigm shift. As the developers have promised to increase the bandwidth by tenfold, this could be a very significant mark in the entire lifespan of Cardano. In terms of market capitalization, Cardano has even touched 3rd place after Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, this does indicate towards Cardano having what it takes to be among the best in the market. The increase in prices and the developments in the Goguen network are the major reasons for the spike that is noticed in the cryptocurrency. Experts also suggest, based on this, that there are chances for ADA to become more expensive by the end of the year 2021. The price at which it is expected to be sold by that time is at a level of more than $2. Furthermore, prices are also not expected to fall below the mark of $1.5 for the next couple of years. Going by this level, there are chances that we will see the prices going all the way up to $2.8. Hoskinson affirms that Cardano is not in the business of selling products. He says that Cardano holds the chance to change the lives of millions of people just by making the system better. He says South Africa is not in the best situation, not because of the people, but because of the systems being established there. The system plays a vital role in any country or business. The manner in which you do your business has a lot to do with the success of the same. Cardano is actually in the business of systems. This means that the things which they sell are the different ways in which human beings could work with each other to develop the system. This is how Cardano aims at making a difference in society through trading effectively, communicating efficiently, and understanding each other. This will ultimately lead to giving each other the consent to allocate power and resources to each other, and therefore end up with a much better system. Wherever a change is required in the business, it is the companies like Cardano that deliver them their required system. These systems that they put in must be the ones where the people must be in control. This is how a company could work. With these values, Cardano builds a very strong base for itself. It ensures that people do not have to go through the entire pain that they're going through in the current days. This is what makes this company unique and a mile ahead of others in the competition. The stocks spiked by over 40% when many investors jumped onto this with great ideas. After this happened, that was when they were at $1.48. The prices have gone a bit down to the rate at which they're at right now. This is perhaps one of the most technologically advanced cryptocurrencies available in the market. This is the phase that allows this coin to have a competition against the leaders in the world of cryptos. We believe that this is not the only aspect of the development of a cryptocurrency. There is one very important element, that is efficiency. The system that Cardano uses is called proof of stake. That is much more efficient than the proof of work used by other bigger coins in the market. This helps them use much more resources in the long run. This is another thing that supplements the ideologies that the company has. If the current rate of development continues, the rate at which it can handle transactions will certainly boost up to 1 million per second. This is the part that makes it look the best. The manner in which Ethereum validates its transactions is very costly compared to the technology used by Cardano. The cost will be incident on the customer, making it less customer-friendly. This is where Cardano will bring in the benefits for its investors. The network, through technology, ensures that there is minimum work done to achieve the maximum results. This is the reason why it is one of the most efficient cryptocurrencies in the world, making it the perfect investment for you. Let us know in the comments below what your thoughts are on how much you think Cardano will cost next month, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Cardano has a lot more potential in it. We're certain that we'll be looking into some key points to buy, which must be utilized by all investors looking forth to make profits out of this technology. For this to happen, another major fundamental is knowledge. It is important for you to learn what exactly is happening behind the scenes. We're not speaking about the technology, but the latest updates that could trigger spikes in the prices of Cardano. Missing these points of interest will lead to a lot of losses for you in the long run. Make sure you turn on the post notifications to avoid anything of that sort. Till the next time we meet again on this channel, make sure you keep investing your hard-earned money at the best places available, and also keep yourself updated with the latest news. We will always be here for you with that. Till we meet again, keep learning, and see you next time at Cardano Land.